Alright guys, so I'm sure to make your iPhone's alarm louder. Now you notice if you go into your clock, press on alarm. Then try to edit the alarm. If you press sound. Now when you use the volume rocker, this right here is not the actual volume for the alarm. What you have to do instead is go into your settings. Then go down to sounds and haptics. Now you notice right here where it says ringtone and alerts. This right here is the volume for your alarm. So you can just put it all the way up. You also have the option of changing with the buttons. But the thing about that is if you accidentally put it down, then of course it'll turn off your alarm. I prefer just keeping off, then putting the volume all the way up. Alright guys, thanks for watching, hope this helped out.